So I'm gonna show you how to use the multimeter. First, select the AC or DC voltage mode depending on the circuit you want to test, which is indicated by straight line with dots for DC or a wavy line for AC. Okay. Now I put to the scale of 10. Now I want to test the DC. I use the battery with the resistance is 1.5 volt. Place the red probe in the positive connection and the black probe in the negative one. And we're gonna see the result. And here is the result is 1.5 volt. And now I want to test the AC. So I choose a high range to start with. Then lower it until the needle reads accurately. So I want to measure a 220 volt outlet. Then I set the dial to the AC side at 250 volt. Choosing a high range prevents damage from having too low setting for a high voltage, and here is the result.